This video will help you to know the nature of oxide, that is whether the oxide is acidic, basic, neutral or amphoteric. So we can find three types of elements in the periodic table, that are metal, nonmetal and metalloid. So we are going to study about the oxide of metal, oxide of nonmetal as well as oxide of metalloid. So let us have a look on the neutral oxide. All we need to do is to just remember this neutral oxide, that are nitrous oxide N2O, nitric oxide NO, carbon monoxide CO. So this is the list of the basically the list of the elements whose oxide will act as amphoteric. So amphoteric oxide are the oxide of the given elements, that are, there is sentence actually so as to remember or recall the list of the elements, that are जनाबे अली गाय सुना करो वो सभी आसमां के प्रभु. What this sentence and each word in it refers to the element is been mentioned over in the screen. So let's move on to the oxide of metal. So the oxide of metal can either be basic, amphoteric or acidic. So let's have a look one by one. Basic. When metal shows oxidation state of +1, +2 or +3, then we can say that metal oxide is basic in nature. And amphoteric, when the metal oxide shows the state of +4. So when the oxidation state will be +4, then we can say that metal oxide is amphoteric. And for acidic, when metal shows oxidation state of +5, +6 or +7. Okay, so we will call at that time that the metallic oxide is acidic. So all these are in the case when the elements mentioned are not from what we had already been mentioned in the amphoteric list. Means all the elements should be instead of the elements that are already been mentioned in the amphoteric series. So these are the list of the metalloid, and let us see that what is the nature of oxide of metalloid. So oxide of all these are acidic except of amphoteric series. Means basically every metalloid oxide is acidic except that of the already been mentioned in the amphoteric series.